All right, we're looking at phmsa.government civil penalty summary. This summary provides a general overview to assist with the public in understanding civil penalty calculation following inspection, investigation, pipeline facility review of the problem violation. Offers a pipeline safety prepared violation report, documentation violation for any violation warrant, civil penalty data from completed violation report with a calculate risk-based civil penalties consideration standard assessment of the consideration Title 49 U.S. Standard Code 60122 and Vital 49 CFR 190225. Assessment consideration are listed below. Left side column table. Middle column range of conduct explained with the range of potential conduct observed with the PHMS connection with the violation generally at least more than severe. From least to more severe, violation report must be in selection for the range each assessment consideration. Right column of the civil penalty range may be assessed under each assessment consideration. Civil penalty for single violation is determined by combining amounts assigned under this each assessment consideration. Application assessment consideration individual case will depend on facts specified in each case. All right, here we have the nature assessment consideration. Nature, right? Range of conduct, records. Example, missing, inaccurate, incomplete records. Activity, example, performance of conduct, activity, process, inspection, testing, maintenance, meeting, notification, reports, emergency response, non-preparing procedures, not complying with special permit, not complying with PHMSA order, not following procedures, equipment facilities, example, equipment not installed, missing, defective, inoperable, not properly sized, not capable of transport, commodity. Your civil penalty ranges from $1,862 to $9,310. Circumstances, operator self-reported violation PHMSA. PHMSA includes state partners before it was discovered by the PHMSA. PHMSA and state partner discovered the violation. Public reported violation. PHMSA included state partners variable credit, and that goes up to $14,896. And gravity violation occurred. However, the pipeline safety was minimal. Effective violation occurred with the HCA could affect the HCA within the area required to be covered with the gas distribution system integrity management program. Includes violations that does not involve the HCA. Or specifically, pipeline facility violation occurred with the HCA that could affect the HCA or within areas required to be covered with the gas distribution system integrity management program, or the violation against Title 49 CFR 193. Violation increased severity of reportable accident incident is defined in 191.3 and 195.50. Violation was casual factor reported accident incident defined in 191.3 and 195.50. The number of incidents of violation incremental increases the penalty. Accident incident consequences factor multiplied for the base penalty applied for any and all assessment consideration report. Accident incident unintentional release gas, hazard liquid release, hospitalization, injuries, and fatalities, and that goes from $1,862 to the maximum penalty, civil penalty. Culpability-based operator actions before a violation occurred. After culpability based on the operator action before a violation occurred. After the operator found the non-compliance, the operator took documented action to address the cause of the non-compliance and correct the non-compliance before the PHMSA learned of the violation. After the operator is found with the non-compliance, the operator took documentation action to address the cause of the non-compliance, was in process of correcting with the non-compliance before PHMSA learned the violation. The operator failed to comply with the applicable requirement. The operator made deliberate decision not to comply with the applicable requirement. The operator took egregious action, example of manipulation of records, reconfiguration of equipment, the evidence of an effort to evade compliance with the concealance of the non-compliance. And that ranges from $27,930 to a maximum. History of prior offenses. Prior fines of the violation include a civil penalty compliance with the order in 5 years that will precede the date of the notice of the prior finding of the violation. May same, similar, different violations. They range from $0 to $18,620. All right, good faith. Based on the operator action before PHMS discovered the violation, operator had reasonable justification for the non-compliance. For example, the operator interpretation requirement was reasonable. The operator failed to achieve compliance for the reasons such as unforeseeable events, conditions that were partially or outside its control. The operator did not have reasonable justification from the non-compliance. That ranged from $18,620 to $0. Other matters of justice may require and apply any and all appropriate factors will be applied to the violation. Example, the individual other matters of the justice may require operator's written procedure which exceeds the regulatory requirement of noncompliance was against for the requirements for the procedure for the exceed of the violation section 60129 protection of employees providing pipeline safety information, reporting no reporting non-death with a telephonic accident incident report, not reporting a known portable injury or release of 230 BPLS in water 230 in water with a telephonic accident incident report, telephonic accident incident report not submitted before the PHM of the state discovered is not submitted. Additional penalty for the liquid natural gas violation per 192.23. C. Repeat violation, or repeated violation, repeat of repeat violation that ranges from $5,586 to a maximum. All right, your economic benefit gain for the non-complying with the regulation, variable addition, penalty, ability to continue business, determination based on additional information is presented later by the app or variable credit. Total civil penalty per violation calculated based on the assessment consideration just for the applicable daily and series limit. If a calculated penalty exceeds the maximum amount permitted by the statute, the penalties will be reduced to the amount exceeding the cap. By the amount exceeding cap. As January 6, 2023, under Title 49 U.S. Standard Code 60122 and Title 49 192.23, operators are subject to civil penalty not exceed $257,664 per violation per day. The violation persists up to the maximum of $2,576,627 related series violation pursuant to the requirement section 701 of the Federal Civil Penalty Inflation Adjustment Act improvements in the 2015 Public Law 11472 was amended in the Federal Civil Penalties Inflation Adjustment Act 1990 Public Law 101 410 Inflation Adjustment Act. And that was a civil penalty summary of the PHMS government.